How to fix Gmail login problems on your Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles on logging in while trying to log in on Gmail, here are some of the process or the solutions you can try. First and foremost, make sure to check the internet connection. Second is update your Gmail app. For this, go to Play Store and search for Gmail. Tap on the update button if available. For the third solution, you'll have to clear the Gmail app cache. For this, long press your Gmail shortcut and then go to App Info. Tapping on it to take you to another page. From there, you have to go to Storage and Cache. Tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache. This can resolve any temporary issues with the app data. Second thing that you need to do is check for Google account sync. This is usually available on accounts and then tap on Google. Make sure that sync Gmail is turned on. Also, do not forget to check for the Gmail permissions. It is also available on the app info. From there, tap on permissions and make sure all the necessary and required permissions are allowed. Remove and re-add your Google account if the problem still persists. Likewise, also make sure that your date and time is correctly set on your device. After all this is done, reboot your device and try to access Gmail, and it should probably help you solve the trouble. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.